Do you want to know about the so-called naturally produced wonder molecule in our body, which accordingly to the scientific studies to which I will link to, will drastically improve your mental and physical life? Welcome to this video. I am Tom Nuyens from the AliveAcademy.com, and after having survived a life-threatening disease when I was 8 years old, it became my mission and my passion to help people to let nature itself restore their optimal mental and physical health from the very root cause up, instead of suppressing the symptoms further. Well, the wonder molecule or conditionally essential amino acid that you want to know about is called taurine. Now, higher taurine levels in our body are linked with the following benefits: overall lowering risk of disease, promoting healthy metabolism, regulating our immune system health and our antioxidant function, protecting our eyes, protecting our heart, protecting our muscles, protecting our liver cells against free radical and toxin damage, protecting against oxidative stress, protecting against aging of our brain, significantly reducing our artery stiffness, protecting against neurological conditions, improving our exercise performance, reducing blood pressure, decreasing blood sugar levels, reducing our mood instability, and reducing anxiety. Now, the main sources of taurine are animal foods such as meat, fish, and dairy. And it is unlikely that vegetarian foods contain enough added taurine to optimize our taurine levels. So supplementation is recommended to benefit from all the taurine-linked health benefits. Because higher levels of taurine are linked with all the mentioned mental and physical health benefits, I personally supplement with taurine. To know exactly how much taurine I supplement with daily together with the scientific studies, click here. I do not drink taurine containing drinks because the ingredients in those drinks can be very harmful. Now, if you want to know more about how my body measures 16 years younger than my actual calendar age, click here. And please like and share this video with your loved ones so they get to see this very valuable health boosting information as well.